A little cabin dwelling in the Japanese style combining efficiency and tranquility in a small, quiet area. The ancient Japanese values of order, peace with nature, and simplicity are embodied in this modest house design. The wooden front seems cozy and modest from the outside, but as soon as you enter, you will be amazed by the small, well thought out room. This house interior is open with no solid boundaries separating the functions of the various rooms. As a result, there is a feeling of space as soon as you walk in. Large window let in plenty of natural light, which combines with the light wood that predominates on the walls and flooring to create a feeling of space and peace. There is a low sofa in the Japanese style on the side of the main area, simple but cozy. It's positioned close to a window so you can take a scenery while unwinding or drinking tea. In addition to being the primary sitting space, the sofa blends in with the surroundings. A compact minibar with a stylish and adaptable design is located close to the sofa. It's next to the kitchen, a kitchen that is straight and tiny. This kitchen has multiple open wooden shelves for storing spice and utensil, a tiny sink, and a two-burner cooktop. Like kitchens in tiny Japanese homes that maintain maximum functionality despite limited space, everything is arranged neatly and effectively. The L-shaped staircase in the room's corner are one of the house's intriguing features. The loft area above, which is usually utilized as a bedroom or extra storage space, is accessible by the stairway. This staircase, simple yet robust, complements the interior decor and does not impede the room's natural flow. The homeowners make every inch of the space functional by using the leftover area beneath the stairs as a secret closet for storing daily necessities. A clean, contemporary, and suite bathroom is located in a different area of the house, neatly concealed behind sliding wooden panels. Despite its compact size, this bathroom features a sleek sink, a sitting toilet, and a shower, all in the practical Japanese style. Additionally, natural light is optimized to maintain the room brightness and freshness. This house has a really calm and organized sense about it overall. Every component has a purpose. Nothing is overdone, and the goal is to create a clutter-free, comfortable space, maximizing function, emphasizing material quality, and fostering harmony among users. Space and the environment are all examples of Japanese design done right. This demonstrates that a little cabin home in the Japanese style is not merely a small house. It is the epitome of a way of life that values efficiency, spaciousness, and simplicity in beauty. This home's open floor plan, practical furniture choice, and accents like the letter L-Stairs and in the corner minibar, low sofa, and in-suite bathroom make it the perfect place for people who like a minimalist lifestyle without sacrificing comfort or style.